Okay, today we're demonstrating the Dobbs method of donning the Mitchell boots. First thing we want to do is make sure that we have the buckles to the inside. Because of the way that babies lay with their feet, this will always be to the inside. If we have a split size of boots, they're always based on the buckles on the inside. So after you do your stretches, put them in a stretched position and lay their foot within the boot. Place your fingers behind the boot, your thumb over top of the instep. Bring your leather tongue across, and then the pressure saddle across, making sure that you don't get the pressure saddle into the buckle. Once you have them in this position, you still have them held with the strap. You'll take and gently massage with your thumb on the strap, and then put it in the first hole. If you're between holes, go to the next tightest hole. Then you'll check the tightness of this strap just by side-to-side wiggle. It should be snug but not over tightened. Also at this time, you can look into the hole in the back of the boot. You'll see some space behind the heel. This is very normal. We want to have that space. It prevents pressure sores when they're laying on their back. We do not force the heel into the space to try to develop a heel. The next strap is going to be the lower strap. We'll fasten it, not as tight as the middle strap, but where we can start a finger underneath the strap. And then we go to the top strap, and the same as the lower strap, we fasten it just snug enough that we can get a finger underneath it. If we have trouble with them sliding out, which during the first 2 weeks initially of getting boots, a lot of times they'll work their way out. We have an alternative method of strapping in which we fasten the middle strap as normal. And then starting with the bottom strap, we go to the top buckle. Bringing the foot to a right angle so they're not able to push down and lift the heel up. And then we bring the top strap to the bottom buckle, putting the same amount of tension as we did with the other strap. And it should look like a right angle just as that. Also, if we have a lot of trouble slipping, we'll recommend putting moleskin in the back of the boot, starting just above the heel and coming up to the top. We do not want to have it down in the heel recess. Once we have the boots fit, then we put the bar on, and it's a matter of snapping the bar into the bottom slot as though. All you have to do is push this tab to slide it out. Next, we'll discuss the sizing of the bar. The bars, these two screws on the bottom of the bar should be shoulder width. So you can place your finger across the screws and just measure the width of the shoulders. The same goes for the dynamic bar, and we make sure that we lay the dynamic bar out flat and do the same thing, measuring across the shoulders, taking care that we don't use the pivot screws here for our measurement.